Hey guys, this is Lori again. So today I've learned something really cool. So I've learned how to send lots of emails through the use of Word and also Excel. So basically, maybe there are times where you want to send a lot of emails to, which has the same content, but to a lot of different people. So if you have those emails in an Excel, you can list them out and there's say a column where you just put their email addresses in there. So you can see I've just got some dummy emails in here and you have their names in another column. Okay, great. So you save that Excel file somewhere. And then you open up a completely new Word document and basically maybe let me just open up a new one to show you. So you go into this new Word document and you'll go to mailings. Next thing you do is you will go start mail merge and you select email messages. So here you should start to enter whatever you like to send. So I'm going to go dear, leave the name blank here. We'll use our Excel to load this data in. Let's just say this is a testing email. Hope you will receive this. Warm regards, your friend. Great. So now I want to insert the name of the person who I'm sending the email to. So what I need to do now is to do that insert. Okay, so in order to do that, I need to go select recipients and I'm going to use an existing list from my Excel document, so which I have saved here. So that mailing list data, which I've just showed you before. So just click on that and there's only one sheet in there, so just click OK. Great, so now that Excel document is loaded into this Word document. So I'm going to insert a merge field. So dear, I'm going to put the name here. So this is going to be, say, Dear David or Dear Anne or Dear Laurie. Okay, and obviously there are other things which you may find to be useful, but in this case I'm just demonstrating a very simple example. Okay, so that's a very simple email. So after you've done that, you just want to send it. So you go finish and merge and you go send email messages. So for the two, obviously you're going to select mail addresses and you can put a subject line, let's say test, and then you just press OK and it will start sending. Now in order for this to send, you need to set up your Outlook. So if you're doing it the first time, you have to go an extra mile. I'm not going to click OK because obviously I don't want to send emails to all those dummy mail addresses. So hopefully that's helpful to you, and see you in another episode. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. Thank you.